Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Business Ethics. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. I wanted to go in here and kind of show you some small things, just to let you guys know where everything's at, kind of get everything oriented on things. So this is our overview of our syllabus in the class. We're going to have 8 weeks of the class, and it's going to be one of those things where you can definitely see your syllabus in here. I'm always going to do an announcement the first of the week. Sometimes it'll be videos, sometimes it might not. But let's go ahead and look at week 1 and kind of show you kind of what we're looking at on this. So I'm definitely going to put my welcome video here and the dates on this. In week 1, we're going to be talking about what is business ethics. And we'll start thinking about kind of what that is and kind of how we go about doing this. The first thing we want to do is we want to go here and talk about ourselves and tell us who you are and kind of explain kind of different things on this. We also have an article this week. This week's going to be more focused on reading articles and doing discussions than normal. But we have Ethic Understanding, Universal Training Leaders to be More Ethical. And we want to get a response on that, as well as an article that says is income inequality immoral. So we definitely want to look at these things when we start thinking about different items on this. In this class, we're going to definitely look at a lot of different things, which are going to be probably a little bit outside the norm in ethics. But it's one of those things where we're going to definitely learn kind of different routes and different ways of thinking about what's right and wrong. And that may be a little bit different than what we definitely conventionally thought. And I'll definitely be guiding us along this journey. But if you guys have any questions or anything through the journey, please let me know. I'm happy to help and definitely excited to have you here. Thanks and have a great day.